Bert's Garden!
Hi, this is Bert. I'm at Bert's Garden. I'm going to tell you a little bit about using grow lights today. Grow lights are quite complicated if you look at all the different ones you can buy. This one is relatively easy. It comes in a single lamp with a cord, and the cord has a plug on one end and another cord on the other end, so you can put them all in a series. They all go on together. You put a timer at the bottom, at the plug. You can decide how long a day you want to give your plants. And grow lights can be complicated. You will read about watts and lumens and distance that the lamp is from the plant and many different factors. If you want to grow a crop in a greenhouse, these are important to you. But if you're here at home, you just need some light, some longer days, and more intense light than you can get from the sunlight. So I bought these LED lamps. These lamps are readily available, and I chose LEDs because they don't give off a lot of heat like an incandescent lamp would. And they're purple because the red and blue spectrum of light encourages plant growth. So these are some plants that I grew this winter. I had them in my garden last summer, and in the fall I took cuttings and I stuck a cutting of these New Guinea impatiens in a pot, kept them moist, and they rooted. So I've been growing them under these lamps. It's good to grow them under the lamp because they won't lean toward the low angle of the sun. When you just have a sunny window, that's nice, but your plants are going to stretch toward the light source. So this light source makes them grow up. These are coleus that I had growing last summer, and I took cuttings of those and stuck them in a pot, and they've been growing up real nice. They're not leaning toward the light. Now the light seems to make them want to bloom. See these little blooms here? So I pinch these off because I'm not interested in blooms. I just want to keep these alive until next summer. And if they bush out, I can make more cuttings and have more plants by summertime. This plant over here is something I've just been growing for a few years. It's a cactus, but I found that under these lights makes it bloom. That's all for today, you guys. Keep on gardening. If you like this video, hit the like button. Subscribe to Bert's Garden here. Watch another video over here.